Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you looking for a reliable trend following indicator that works seamlessly on MT4 and gives you a powerful edge in the market? In this video, we are diving deep into the Disparity Index Indicator for MT4. All right. It's a tool that's all about spotting market momentum, trend reversals, and continuation opportunities like never before. Okay. So I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now, the Disparity Index Indicator for MetaTrader 4. All right. So this index is built on a super effective trend following strategy that delivers instant alerts when the market is about to reverse or when the current trend is about to continue. So how does it work? Well, it acts as a momentum indicator, as you can see, designed specifically to show you when the market strength is shifting. When the indicator line jumps above the zero mark, okay, we can just make that zero mark visible. Okay, so when the indicator line jumps above the zero mark, it signals a bullish trend. All right, this means buyers are taking control and upward momentum is gaining strength. On the flip side, when the disparity index drops below zero, it flags a bearish trend, suggesting sellers are dominating the market and a downtrend may be forming or continuing. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. This indicator doesn't just give you reversal signals, it also shows trend continuation setups, which means you can catch those pullbacks and rejoin the trend at optimal entry points. So whether you are a day trader looking for quick intraday setups or a swing trader planning multi-day holds, this indicator has you covered. It works across all time frames on MetaTrader 4 from M1 to D1, making it incredibly flexible for both Forex and stock traders. And the best part, it's simple to read. There is no need to overanalyze. Basically, you just have to watch out for the positioning of the DII, the Disparity Index Indicator, with respect to the zero level. A value consistently above zero, you are in a bullish trend. This was an example here. We had a buy signal from here. So all you have to do is to confirm the bullish momentum. Look for a bullish candlestick pattern. You can see we had a bullish pattern around here. You can enter a buy trade, set your stop loss below the swing low, and for your take profits, you can just target resistance zones. You can target resistance zones for your take profits, or you can even decide to use trailing stops. You can trail your stop losses. All right, so it's very easy. Then when you have a value below zero, you are looking at a bearish trend. For example, we can see around here, you can see that the disparity index dropped below the zero level here, giving us a sell signal. So all you have to do was to look for a bearish confirmation pattern, bearish candlestick pattern to confirm the signal. And after that, you can enter your sell trade, set your stop loss above the previous swing high, rather above that high if you have a valid confirmation and you want a tight stop loss. And then your take profit can be around support zones. Right? Can you support zones for your take profit, or you can decide to trail your stop losses. All right. So that simplicity is what makes this indicator powerful and user friendly, especially if you are tired of noisy setups and false signals. But don't take it lightly. It's more than just a visual tool. All right. The disparity index indicator reflects real momentum changes giving you data-driven insights to help refine your entries and exits. Okay? Meanwhile, even when using this indicator, you have to pay attention to proper risk management. Ensure that you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. And do not even trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose to start with. All right? You don't want to be under pressure when you are trading. You don't want to be under so much emotional and mental stress as a result of trading with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. All right? It's not good. Okay? And then make sure that you always employ good risk to reward ratios. For example, if you are entering a buy trade after you get a confirmation, if you are risking 10 pips, for example, then make sure that your potential profit target is at least 20 pips. That is a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. If you are risking 10 pips, you should be targeting at least 20 pips or more. If you are risking 20 pips, you should be targeting at least 40 pips or more. Okay? One of the main benefits of 1:2 risk to reward ratio is that even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you will still be on the winning side. Imagine you lost 5 trades and you won 5 trades. Losing 5 trades, 10 pips each, means you lost 50 pips. Winning 5 trades, 20 pips each, means you won 100 pips. At the end of the day, you lost 50 pips and you won 100 pips. So you are still in 50 pips profit, even though you lost 5 trades and you won 5 trades. So that is the benefit of a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so try not to compromise on that. Instead, if you can't find a setup that gives you a good risk to reward ratio, you can just leave the trade, come back another time. There are going to be more opportunities in the market. The fact you do not trade at a particular time does not mean that more opportunities will not come. So if you can't find a very good opportunity at a time, just stay out of the trade, all right, and check again. Okay, just ensure that you have good risk to reward ratios. It's very important. So if you want to trade smarter and with more precision, integrating the Disparity Index Indicator into your MT4 setup might be one of the important decisions that you make in your trading this period. All right. Meanwhile, it's a very simple indicator, but valuable at the same time. All right. If you got value from this breakdown, kindly do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss more deep dives like this one. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.